Ever wonder why your get up and go got up and went by lunchtime? It's not just you being lazy, it's that your mind is drowning in clutter. Imagine your brain as a browser with way too many tabs open. We all dive into our days without taking a moment to reset our mental workspace. It's like pushing your laptop to its limits without ever shutting it down. No wonder even small tasks start feeling like mountains before noon. Here's a little secret. Productivity isn't about pushing harder. It's about tuning your brain's settings. Those feelings of heaviness? They're not a sign of incapability, but indicators that your approach might be off. Traditional productivity tips often miss the mark because they focus on symptoms rather than the root cause, the mental setup. Let's start with the basics, signals. Your brain doesn't operate on your intentions, but on the signals you send it. For instance, lounging in bed with your phone teaches it that relaxation means scrolling time. But when you purposefully open a notebook, even if just for half a minute, you're signaling that it's time to focus. It's about crafting micro-signals, like sitting in a specific chair, playing a certain type of music, or wearing particular clothes that tell your brain it's time to work. This isn't about discipline, it's about conditioning. However, there's a deeper layer, the identity gap. Ever told yourself, I'm just not a disciplined person? That belief can cement into an identity that sabotages all your efforts. You procrastinate, doubt, and delay, and each time that identity strengthens. The trick is to act first, believe later. You don't need to see yourself as productive to behave productively. Start with actions and let them build your beliefs. It's okay if it feels odd initially. Keep at it until it becomes second nature. And remember, not every day needs to be a blockbuster productivity day. Aim for consistent, good enough days rather than perfect ones. The most successful people aren't those who only work when they feel like it. They're the ones who show up consistently, regardless of mood. Adjust your expectations to maintaining momentum, not maxing out your energy, and you'll dodge the burnout bullet. So here's the takeaway. You're not undisciplined. You're just tuned into the wrong frequency. Shift your signals, bridge that identity gap, and let go of the myth of the perfect day. Start small, stay steady, and watch as you transform into someone who gets things done, no matter the hurdles. Ready to reset your brain for better productivity? Start tonight by identifying one micro signal you can implement tomorrow. Share your chosen signal in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to keep those mental tabs in check.